Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. I thought I'd do a quick video on how I store my paper pumpkin kits. In one of the videos this time I talked about the fact that you can go to the Paper Pumpkin website on the About section, and you can actually print off a insert for the stamp cases. This is cut down to fit. I printed on an 8.5 by 11 piece of regular printer paper. But I use the clear stamp cases. I use these for storing my designer series paper that I've cut up, and I use it for storing my paper pumpkin kits. On page 145 of the annual catalog, they have them listed standard stamp cases. There's 4 to a package, and it's $11 Canadian for the 4. So this is what I use, and you can open it up, and it's got a plastic sleeve, and you put your insert in so that the spine lines up, so you can see what it is. And the really nice thing about this is it shows you your stamp sets on the back. It shows you all the stamps that are in that set, so that you can easily see, like if you're looking for something specific, you can just pull them out and have a look. And I just pick up everything. All my die cuts I take out of their paper and do them individually. And then you can just close it up and put it on your shelf, and you know exactly, you've got the title and the date. So I thought I would just show you quickly how I actually store my paper pumpkin pieces that are left over from my kits. So thanks so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.